Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an email to just one person in Mailchimp. This is really useful when you want to reach out personally to a client, customer, or contact without sending a full campaign to your entire audience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step in a simple way. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Log into your account, and you'll land on your main dashboard where all your email tools and campaigns are managed. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all your emails live, whether they're drafts, scheduled messages, or already sent campaigns. Now, click the Create button in the top right corner. Mailchimp will ask what type of campaign you want to build. Select Regular Email, since this is the standard option for sending a normal message. After that, give your campaign a name. This is just for your own organization, so you can write something like Single Contact Email or Personal Message. Don't worry, the recipient will not see this. Next, you'll move to the Recipients section. Normally, Mailchimp is designed to send emails to an entire audience or segment, but here we only want one person. Instead of choosing a full list, look for an option that allows manual entry, like pasted emails or add recipient manually, depending on your version of Mailchimp. Now, simply enter the email address of the one person you want to contact. Take your time here and make sure the email is correct, because even a small typo means the message won't reach them. Once you've added the email, confirm that it's set to only send to that single address and not your whole audience. This step is very important to avoid sending it to more people than intended. After that, click Save and Continue. Now you can design your email like normal. Add your subject line, write your message, include images or links if needed, and format it however you want. It will work just like any other Mailchimp email, just with a single recipient. Before sending, always preview your email to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, hit Send. And that's it. You've successfully sent a Mailchimp email to just one person in a clean and professional way without needing to create a separate list or complex setup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Mailchimp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.